This 2021 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 314 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 39 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, DVD player, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, TV, leveling jacks, slide-out, auxiliary battery, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen 314 is 8,583 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.